Are you burnt out and you don't know how to postpone your USMLE exam? Watch this video to find out more. I'm Dr. Slayman, and this is how I postponed my exam.
So once again, all the good stuff is on Oasis. This is from my step 1 time, but it's the same process if you want to change your eligibility period. Keep in mind that you can only do this once, and then if you miss the second eligibility period, you would have to rebook the entire exam again. So during COVID, I also had to change my testing region. This is an easy thing to do. You just email the USMLE ECFMG and they send you this form above.
Alright guys, hope this video helped you out. Just a full disclosure, this was during the COVID period. They were giving us an extended period of time because there weren't many test centers available. So right now, if you want to extend it the first time, it's about 3 months. And then if you want to extend it again, you will have to cancel your exam and then rebook it. Just giving you the heads up, and keep this in mind. Hope this helped, and I'll catch you next time.